Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find all the films and TV shows you've added to your Facebook profile using the web version on PC. This works with the latest layout, so follow along step by step. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and making sure you're logged in. Once you're on your home feed, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. This drops down a menu with your account options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. You'll see a panel slide out with grouped settings. Click into Settings, then scroll the left sidebar until you find Your Activity. Under that, click Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your actions and profile details. Inside the Activity Log, you'll see several categories on the left. Look for the section labeled Personal Information and expand it. Then click Profile Information. This reveals all the personal details you've added to your profile over time. Now, within Profile Information, scroll the list until you spot Films and TV. Click it. Facebook will load a page showing every movie and TV show you've added to your profile. Here, you can review what's listed, remove items you no longer want, or jump back to add more. If you don't see something you expect, double-check that you're in the right section. Sometimes the menu labels shift slightly with updates, but the path stays the same. Profile photo, Settings and Privacy, Activity Log, Personal Information, Profile Information, then Films and TV. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly locate and manage all your films and TV shows on Facebook Web, right from your PC. If you found this helpful, stick around for more clear step-by-step guides to get the most out of your favorite apps.